Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deacon aka Coco aka Queen of DIYs, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Virtual hugs to you. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to make a very powerful anti-aging face cream. And if you give me 15 minutes of your time, I promise that you will not regret it, as this video is a product of very extensive research. I have been working on this for a while to get you the best formula for a homemade anti-aging cream. So before we get into the video, if you like what you're seeing already, please make sure that you're subscribed. If you're not, thumbs up this video. It goes a long way in helping my channel grow. And without further ado, let's get right into making our anti-aging cream. So first ingredient we would need for this is white tea. White tea is a powerful source of antioxidant that can help in preventing acne. It also contains polyphenols that can work wonders in natural skin lightening and brightening. In a nutshell, white tea extract keeps your skin looking younger and fresher. So next ingredient we'll need for this is white willow bark, and white willow bark provides gentle exfoliation for the skin. It helps to reduce acne and excess oil. It helps to reduce signs of aging and the appearance of wrinkles. It refines pores and also minimizes pores. It helps to alleviate conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, and rosacea. The next ingredient we'll need is flax seeds, and flaxseed contains lignans, an antioxidant that helps in the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles on the face. It also has fatty acids that help in keeping the skin moisturized and smooth, and also flaxseed helps in keeping the skin tight and lessens sagging. Next ingredient is chia seeds, and chia seeds fights free radicals. It soothes inflammation, it strengthens the skin's barrier, it hydrates the skin, and it helps to add glow to the skin. Next ingredient we'd use is allantoin, and allantoin is a moisturizing agent. It helps to moisturize the skin to prevent dryness and irritation. It exfoliates the skin by helping it to shed dead skin cells. It has soothing properties and calming effect on the skin. It has wound healing properties, provides hydration. It also contains anti-aging properties and is known to not have any side effects, and is suitable for all skin types. So next we would need our Ewax, and this will act as an emulsification agent for our cream. Next we'll need rosehip oil for this, and rosehip oil contains a lot of antioxidant properties that just helps to soothe the skin, help with acne, and also contains anti-aging properties. Also would be adding our vitamin E oil, which is also a great source of antioxidants and also just helps in the shelf life of our products as well. Lastly, we'll be needing our preservative of some sort. I'm using liquid Germal Plus. So now getting down to work, I'm going to take a pot, a small pot, and then I'm going to add my white willow bark, and I'm just taking some 3 bags and adding it to the pot. Next, I'm going to be going in with my white tea, and then I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of the white tea leaves. Next, I'll then go in with some distilled water. Once I have added enough water to soak things up properly, I'm then going to cover up my pot and then bring this to boil. An ingredient I forgot to mention earlier is our aloe vera gel, and this is just a store-bought 100% aloe vera gel, and it's a wonderful humectant for the skin. So next I'm going to be taking a small container and I'm just going to measure out the flax seed that I need, and here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of flax seed and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Actually, I would end up using 2 tablespoons of each because this just wasn't enough for me and I decided to add more. So now these 2 seeds contain collagen, and it's just like a rich source of collagen for the skin. And if you don't know, collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, found in bones, muscles, skin and tendons. It is a substance that holds the body together, and collagen forms a scaffold to provide strength and structure for the body. So here for our skin, it's something that our skin naturally generates. So using products that contain collagen can help in strengthening the skin, and also studies have shown that peptides or supplements that contain collagen helps in slowing down aging and reduces wrinkles and dryness on the skin. Hence why we are using these very rich ingredients, or rich in collagen ingredients. Now that I have brought this to boil, as you can see, it's been extracted and brewed. So now I'm just going in with a spatula. But before we go further, make sure that you thumbs up this video if you like what you're seeing already, and let's go. So I'm just bringing that to cool a bit, and then taking out the bigger 3 bags from the tea, because right now this is a brewed tea. So now I'm just taking that out because much later I'm going to be sieving, so I'm just making things easier for me, taking out this so that it doesn't obstruct my further endeavors. So I'm going to keep this away for further use, and now I'm just adding my chia seeds and flax seeds into the willow extract and white tea extract. So I'm just adding that up into the mix, and then I'm going to put back on the stove and bring to boil. So now I'm just taking out the amount of Ewax that I need, and here I'm just using 1 tablespoon of Ewax. So I am boiling this now on low heat, and if you know how flax seeds and chia seeds work, you know they are slippery and they are going to bring out this very thick viscosity. So I'm just bringing that to boil for about 20 to 30 minutes and then checking to see how things are going. As you can see, it's extracting quite well, and the water that was in the pot is now very sticky and slippery and thicker than it was. So now I took it off the stove after 20 to 30 minutes, and now I'm just going to put a stocking cap over my bowl, and I'll be straining my mix. So now I'm just making sure to strain everything out of or rather I'm trying to strain all the gel out. This is a little bit tricky to do because it's really slippery and you want to be careful, and you really don't want to work with this when it's hot because it's going to burn your hands. I've done it before and it really burned my hands. So I'm just trying to get as much gel out as possible, and as you can see, you don't get too much out of it, but we have just enough for what we need. And yeah, I'm just stirring that up well, and now I'm going to go in with half a tablespoon of our Allantoin. So now I'm going to go in with my kitchen wicks and wicks this up, and because it is a gel like formula at the moment, even though it's warm, it's a little bit tricky for the Allantoin to mix properly. So I would need to do a lot of work in wicking to make sure that it mixes. But then again, Allantoin dissolves better in like warm water, so I'm going to pop this in the microwave for a few seconds to just get it to heat up a little more, and then I am going to continue wicking. But for now, I'm just stirring that up, and before I put it in the microwave, I'm going to put in my aloe vera gel, and here I'm going to add a generous amount of aloe vera gel, and it's about 2.5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. So after adding my aloe vera gel, I'm then going to go in and whisk even further before I pop this into the microwave. And here I'm just showing you guys the consistency. And after I brought it out from the microwave, and I just left it for a few seconds, nothing too much. You don't want it sizzling hot or boiling hot. So I'm just stirring that back up, and next I'm going to go in with our rose hip oil, and here I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of rose hip oil as well, even though I didn't make the spoon full because I didn't need this to be oily. I just needed a bit of oil in it because I prefer this to remain a gel-like formula. So I'm just whisking that again after adding the oil. Now I'm just showing you guys the formula. You can choose to keep things here if you want. If you do not have Ewax, it's not a problem. You can just pop this in your storage container and store in the fridge. So now I'm going in with my Ewax because I want it to have a more creamy formula, like an actual face cream, and I'm just whisking that up again. And as you can see, because of the consistency of this cream, it takes a lot of work, just stirring that and whisking and all of that. So now I'm just showing you guys the gel-like consistency of the cream. We have our face cream already. So now I'm going to go in with vitamin E oil, and I'm just going to add a couple drops. I think I added about 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil, which was a generous amount, and I'm stirring that back up into the formula to just get it to mix properly. So now I'm going in with our Germal Plus, liquid Germal Plus, and please make sure that your product has sort of cooled down a little bit before you add your preservative, because you don't want the heat messing with the preservative. So now I'm just stirring that, and here we have our very potent and strong anti-aging cream. And here I'm just using a spatula to just take the products in the corners to just make sure that I'm going to get everything out, and as well showing you the consistency and what to expect of this cream. So yeah, we have our cream, and now I'm just going to transfer it into a storage container for storage. So this cream is a very strong anti-aging cream, and whatever age that you are, you do want to remain young. So there's really no age restriction to this as long as you're 20 and above. So the earlier you start using anti-aging products, the better. So yeah, here we have our anti-aging cream, and if you do like what you've seen so far, please make sure that you're subscribed if you are not, and thumbs up this video, click on the notification bell to make sure you're notified every single time that I post a video. And I'll be coming up with more videos for you guys. I'm coming up with anti-aging face oils, serums, and all of that as well. So make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you'll be the first to know when I post that video. And as usual, I wish you guys a perfect, luscious, and beautiful skin, and I would see you guys in my next video. And if you do have time on your hands, definitely check out the other videos that I have on this channel. See ya. Bye. Mwah.